Hello everyone, welcome back to Sahi. So today we have a very exciting opportunity to share with you, especially for those who are interested in cutting edge research in the field of biotechnology, nanotechnology and material science. So the Indian Institute of Technology Jammu or IIT Jammu, one of the prestigious IITs in our country, has announced a recruitment notification for the position of a junior research fellow. The project is titled Imaging Guided Mitochondria Targeted Gene Delivery Using Quantum Dots, and it is sanctioned by the Board of Research in Nuclear Sciences under the OSRP scheme. Doesn't that already sound fascinating? So, if you are someone who is passionate about the research and wants to build a strong career in academia or industry, this is definitely a golden chance for you. So, let's go through the details step by step. So first of all, the posts available is Junior Research Fellow or JRF. There is just one single post open, which means the competition will be high. So make sure your application is strong, and the duration of this post is 1 year initially, but there is a good part which is it can be extended based upon your performance. So if you do well, you may get the opportunity to continue further, and this is a great way to gain stability while also showcasing your research skills. Coming to the salary details, as you can see in the notification itself, the selected candidates will be offered at 37,000 rupees plus their HRA per month applicable. The HRA will be provided as per the norms of the funding agency BRNS. Now, for a JRF position, this is a very good stipend, and when you add the possibility of HRA, it becomes even more attractive, as you can see and understand. So, if you are looking for both financial support and research exposure, this opportunity is perfect for you. Next, coming to the eligibility criteria to apply for the particular post, the candidates should have a BE, BTech, MTech or MSc degree in nanotechnology, nanomaterials, biotechnology, material science or any other disciplines that is relevant to the project. So your academic record must also be consistently good. And now here is an important note. If you are applying with a BE, BTech or MSc degree from centrally funded technical institutes like IITs, NITs or ICES and so on, then you don't need to have a GATE or other national level examination scores, provided your CGPA is at least 10 on a 10-point scale. Okay, sorry, at least 8 on a 10-point scale. However, if you a degree is from a non-CFTI institute, then you must have a valid national level qualification like GATE, UGC NET, CSIR NET, ICAR, ICMR or exams conducted by IITs, IISCs, ICES or equivalent. So make sure you check where your degree falls and apply accordingly. So as you can see in the notification, apart from these essential qualifications, there are also some desirable qualifications mentioned in the notification. The candidates who already have experience with the nanomaterial synthesis, nanomaterial characterization, or mammalian cell culture or electrochemical studies will definitely have an added advantage for the post. So this is because the project involves advanced nanotechnology and biotechnology techniques. So prior lab exposure can really make your profile stronger. Then moving on to the age limit for the post, the maximum upper age limit is 28 years old. But don't worry, there is a relaxation of 5 years for the candidates belonging to the SC, ST, OBC, women and physically challenged categories. So if you fall under these categories, you do get some age relaxation benefits also. Then let's discuss the application process. The application has to be submitted online through the IIT Jammu application portal, which is uh, apply.iitjammu.ac.in. We will provide the link, application link as well as notification link in the description box, and you can see the notification and the application website from the description box itself. So you have to go to the tab titled contract or project or staff or JRF or SRF, which is the option available in the IIT Jammu website, and apply under the category. So while applying, you need to upload the duly filled application form along with all the requested details, scanned copies of the certificates and other supporting documents. So Please be clear about that. Along with the application, you need to upload the duly filled application form along with all the requested details like scanned copies of the certificates and other supporting documents. And also, please note that the last date to apply is 7th September 2025. So this is a strict deadline, so don't wait until the last moment. I always suggest applying early to avoid last minute technical issues. And there are also some important points you need to keep in mind while applying for this particular post and discussing the post. Firstly, the authenticity of the information and documents you submit is completely your own responsibility. Second, just having the required qualification doesn't guarantee that you will be called for an interview, and then shortlisting will be done based on the merit and the needs of the project only. Third, shortlisted candidates will be informed through email, so please provide a valid email ID and phone number in your application. Then, regarding the interview process, candidates who are shortlisted will be called for an interview which will be conducted online. So, you must present your updated CV and also bring original and attested photocopies of your mark sheets and certificates supporting your academic qualifications. And please remember that only shortlisted candidates will be invited for the interview. So if you're selected, you will have to join IIT Jammu at your own expenses because no DA will be provided for attending the interview offline or for joining the position. And also, if you are already employed somewhere, you will need to produce a relieving certificate from your current employer at the time of joining. So all these points are clearly mentioned in the notification, and you can check it out from the description box. Another very exciting part of this notification is that if you meet IIT Jammu's eligibility criteria and later apply for the PhD program, and if you are recommended by the PhD selection committee, you may actually get the admission into the PhD program through this research project itself. So this is a huge advantage because it can help you smoothly transition from a JRF role into a fully fledged PhD scholar at IIT Jammu, which is one of the most prestigious IITs in our country. So before we wrap up, let me repeat the important dates once again. The last date for submitting your online application is 7th September 2025. So please don't miss out. And for any correspondence or queries, you may contact Dr. Vinay Sharma, Department of Bioscience and Bioengineering, IIT Jammu, and his email ID is given, which is vinay.sharma@iitjammu.ac.in, and we will provide the email ID also in the description box. So this was all about the latest IIT Jammu Junior Research Fellowship recruitment notification. This is a great opportunity to not only earn a good salary but also gain exposure to high level research in nanotechnology and biotechnology. Also, working on a BRNS funded project at IIT Jammu will definitely add immense value to your career and academic growth and development. So, whether you want to continue in research or pursue a PhD or move towards industry roles, it is very important for your career. So, if you are eligible and interested, don't wait, apply as soon as possible and secure a chance. So, this is a wonderful opportunity and should not let it slip away. So that's it for today's update, and if you found this video helpful, make sure like it, share it with your friends who might also benefit, and subscribe to our channel Sai Info for such more job notification and career related updates. So all the best with your applications, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.